Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how you can earn money by uploading stock photos. So first of all, you need to log into stock.adobe.com. So I already logged in here. So after logged in, you need to go to your search tab. After search tab, you need to sign in. I already have an account here, so I am using the sign in button. And the another site is wisetack.io and the different site is adobe.stock.com. So what you need to do here, you need to go to any AI images create site. So I will go to app.leonardo.ai. So after that, you can simply browse any images. So let's say I'm selecting this one. I'm going to download this one. And now I'm going to upscale this image. So you can use any image upscaler. I'm using clip drop one. Just drag it down. So guys, here I am using one 10 cheapen replicate.coin. 10 cent hour. I will link all these URLs in the description box, so you can check out it later. So right now we have to just sign up with you need to sign up with this GitHub account, so you can use this. Just upload the images and then use the submit button, and after a few seconds it will upscale the images. It will take just some time to upscale those images. Okay, the upscale has been done and our HD images is available here. Now we need just to upload those files. Okay, our images here. You need to select this creative generated with recognize people not because it is cartoon. You can add a title here, add the tags, and just submit that file, and your file is ready to be available like this one. And here also it is AI generated too. You can choose table diffusion. So one image has been successfully uploaded, so it's available here. So whenever someone will download it, we will get the earning here, and the same will be applied here also. On the dashboard, you will see that someone will download it. You will see your earnings here. So guys, you will try this, and in some days, I will see that you will going to earn money by this uploading stock images. So guys, this is our first video. I hope you guys enjoy it.